Microsoft added this concept of image analyzer. And image analyzer, pretty neat. We find it in two functional areas within NAV. We find it both on the contact records as well as the item records. On the contact record, when we go ahead and we attempt to import a picture of a contact, Microsoft's machine learning will try to identify that contact, whether it's a male or a female, and approximate the age of that particular contact, and really fill in your profile for you that's in the relationship manager or the contact list. So those of you that currently use the contact manager, you know that you have your profiles and you profile your customers and your contacts. This will dynamically backfill some of those profiles for you based on the analysis of that image. Where I find it to be more useful, far more than the contact side, is really on the items. When importing an image into your items, now the machine learning system will grab that picture and try to identify what are the attributes of that image and to dynamically stamp the attributes on the item card. So Microsoft released this new concept of attributes within NAV 2017, and it was a very refreshing way to be able to tag different keywords for items. So the attributes are super neat, and now here we have a dynamic way of backfilling these attributes based on an image being analyzed. Pretty powerful. We used it a few times, and it was surprisingly accurate. So here's a classic example of what that image analyzer can do. We took a picture, we imported it in. Obviously, the description is a desk, and we immediately get prompted with a message at the top of the screen that says we can automatically assign attributes to the images that you import. You can enable it or not enable it. And it's really that simple to turn it on. And then what this does is it goes on to deliver the results of the image to identify that this is a table, that's an indoor table, and it categorizes under furniture. What's interesting here is it shows you a confidence level where the results that are being returned are ranked on how confident they are that this is an accurate attribute. So 83.6% accurate that this is a table. And you'll see here that the action that's being performed is that we're putting it under a category of table. So with that, you'll see here that you don't have to accept the attributes that are returned back. They are delivered to you for review and tweaking. You can go ahead and tweak them, and then upon final tweak, you can accept them as is or any changes that you choose to make.